This is an in-service training program presented by Nutrition Care Systems. Today's topic, using standardized recipes. So some other benefits of using standardized recipes would be a consistent quality, a consistent quantity, and a predictable yield. You're also going to have fewer errors in your food orders. Also, food cost and budget control is going to be much better with standardized recipes. You're going to have consistent nutritional content, including the knowledge of any food allergens. Also, you're going to control your labor costs, time and scheduling efficiencies, and then also you're going to increase the employees' confidence when they're cooking. You're going to eliminate that guesswork, and you're not going to have any food shortages during the mealtime, because that's a big concern of any of the cooks as far as running out of food. So it's going to increase their confidence that they're not going to run out of food. So how do you use a standardized recipe? Make sure your staff know how to read a recipe, how to measure and prepare the food according to the recipe. Make sure they read the recipe entirely, not just the first few lines. And then staff should be familiar with kitchen equipment and where to find certain utensils and which are the proper utensils to use. So your staff has to be able to read the recipe and measure the ingredients correctly. For example, 1 cup of flour is 8 ounces by volume, but it only weighs 4 ounces. And weight is a more accurate measurement than volume. Different amounts can affect the quantity and quality of the product and change that nutritional content. So we really want to stress following the recipe correctly.
Explain the video you downloaded about the standardized recipe. In a video, the nutrition care system said that using standardized recipes, the staff must need to understand how to read, measure, and also to prepare food according to the recipe. It contributes to maintaining food quality and quantity at the same value or amount so that people may afford the nutritious meal. Standardizing recipes help us to better regulate the food that are given to each individual, which allows us to meet the nutritious food requirements. And it has also been standardized in order to establish the exact food components used in the recipes. Standardized recipes can also be used in schools for the children, for them to be healthy. And also children love combining foods. They don't want one type of food only. But the staff must have the requirements to follow. For example, when the staff serve bread with peanut butter, that is 2 ingredients or 2 components. Everyone knows how to bake peanut butter bread, but everyone does it differently. They want to ensure that they satisfy the specifications, and just like following a standardized recipe. Some people have sensitive bodies, and also such as allergies. Therefore, it is much more better or healthier to utilize the standardized recipes, especially when they are on a diet.